I had been part of a group called Ku'uli Digital Opportunities Initiative, which was a bunch of Omidyar fellows who got together and realized that a lot of our kids on Hawaii Island didn't have access to computers at home when the pandemic started. So we were providing computers to children in rural communities for free. We wanted to make sure they were able to access their education. And through that work, ʻAuamo Collaborative was born because we realized that there was more of a mission than on Hawaii Island. So we provide services statewide. What we are doing now is undertaking a broadband mapping effort in our rural communities across the state. We're sending people out to rural areas to administer a survey asking questions around broadband availability, broadband and internet quality, about why they need to access the internet, if they can't access from home, where they go to access. One of the bigger questions is around what kind of services they need. So we realize that the internet now is more than a privilege, right? That should be kind of considered a right. And especially during a pandemic situation, and we have fragile kupuna and other fragile community members, we want to make sure they can access telehealth services, access governmental services online. A lot of government services are actually only available online now. And also, access the digital economy, access education, and very simple stuff like keep in touch with their family. Because most of us who have reliable access to the internet and have reliable access to devices, we don't think about those who don't, right? And it's not simply a matter of broadband availability or device availability. A lot of it is a digital literacy issue as well, right? So we have to partner with organizations that provide training. We have kupuna who come in who've never used a computer. So we have to teach them how to turn it on, help the kupuna sign up for emails. Because you need an email address to sign up for Google services, right? But we need to realize that there are many people who didn't grow up using computers. So the lesson for me was it takes a partnership with a whole bunch of people. It takes that community effort to make sure that our people can access telehealth services, can access governmental services, can access, even shopping on Amazon, right? Access education, whatever they need to access. So that's been the biggest lesson, I think, for me. By going out and collecting the data ourselves, and create very accurate boots on the ground type data maps. We hope to be able to house it on a public platform, which then allows other groups, nonprofits, governmental agencies, whomever wants to take a look at it to help kind of address the infrastructure issue. We don't have broadband infrastructure going into our rural communities. We've also created Wi-Fi hotspot type places across the state. The most recent one, we have a free Wi-Fi connection at Kamehameha Park in Kohala. So anybody from the community can go to the park and use the internet for free. We're going to put the same thing in Keokaha as well. So there's solutions outside of just infrastructure. But unless we have the accurate data about where the internet is and where the internet isn't, we cannot go out and address these. That's how we can determine the efficacy of our efforts, right? Were we effective in creating that access to the information that people need to go out and address the issues and really start reframing how we deliver internet service and broadband connectivity to our rural communities across the state.